Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you what I got in my new Influenster voxbox, because I got a new one in the mail. So if anyone wants to know what I got for this box, then keep on watching. So I did already open it because I was like a little excited because I haven't got one since like January, so it's already open, but I didn't really yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got. So, it's from Influencer. They sent, if you guys don't know what Influencer is, you can like review products on their site. You can get a box of like products from like different companies and stuff. You just have to review them, and they're sent free to test out and stuff. So, yeah, that's what it is if you guys don't know. But I got, oh god, from the brand, this name right here. I don't really know how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna put it in the description. La Roche Pose. I don't know how to say it. So I don't want to like slam the name, but they sent me a lot of stuff. Here's a little card. What does it say? Lipicar Balm EP. The prebiotic body moisturizer. Recommended by dermatologists worldwide. Clinically shown to reduce dry, rough skin, which I have, especially in the wintertime, so glad I got this. And I got quite a lot of stuff, actually. I'm gonna remove the big bottle before it falls, but all the little boxes, like damn, there's actually a lot in there. I don't really know how many. Alright, so the first thing I have right here is the La Roche, I don't know how to say it. Extra, what's it called? Lipicar Balm. And it's for intense repair moisturizer cream. Yeah, that's what it is. Lipid. Replenishing up to 48-hour hydration, clinically shown to reduce dry, rough skin. Holy crap. But look how big this bottle is. It's actually a decent size. And it's got 13.52 fluid ounces, so that's a lot of product actually. So this will probably last me a while, but I moisturize like every day, so maybe not. So the next, they give you a lot of little samples in here. Samples, travel sizes, bottles, whatever's. There is 3 different types of products here, and you get 3 of each because they're all travel sizes, so they want you to have a lot if you do like it and to try it and stuff. The first one I have over here is, this one's for extra dry skin. This is the Lipicar Balm. I think is this a mini thing in this? Oh, it is. Okay, I'm stupid. It's literally just a mini version of this. Yeah, it's literally the mini version, but I got 3 of them. So, I don't really need to reintroduce this one because it's the same thing. I thought it was different. But thank you. This brand I can't pronounce, but thank you. Because... wait, let me see what the bottle... okay, I looked at one of these earlier. I don't know how big this one is. Oh, it's not a bad size. It's a decent size. Oh, these are kind of good if I didn't want to bring this big bottle anywhere, actually. So travel things are good sometimes. Yeah. So does it smell like anything, then? No, it doesn't. Oh, what the fuck? That's weird. Moisturizer, I use the e.l.f. one. It literally smells like perfume to me. Like... it doesn't bother me, but like some people would probably hate that. Or the next one is a different product. It's the Lipicar lotion for normal to dry skin, which I have, but I supposedly had combination skin, but I don't even know because sometimes I'm oily and stuff. I don't know. But it's Lipicar lotion, daily repair moisturizing lotion. Dermatologist tested, fragrance free, yeah, prebiotic. Thermal water is in it. What else does it say? For normal to dry skin, sensitive skin too. It's also good for baby skin, children, and adults. Appropriate for body and face. Good. The properties of this, it says, has thermal water, shea butter, and enriched with niacinamide. Some kind of chemical, I don't really know what to say. Helps alleviate... this is terrible. I can't even say half of these words. Alleviate dry skin by restoring moisture replenishing essential skin lipids. Okay, it even tells you how to apply it, which that's a good thing, because some people don't even, yeah. Okay, the directions for this. Apply morning and evening on clean skin, fast absorbing texture, non-greasy and non-sticky finish. Keep out of reach of children, yeah. Okay, results is gentle lipid replenishing lotion. Provides long-lasting comfort and all-day hydration. Isn't that what this is supposed to do too? So, you all basically do like the same thing, which I don't mind. I'll never run out of moisturizer ever again because there's so many they gave me. Damn. And it says the same as the other one, allergy tested, fragrance free, all that good stuff. So, can't wait to try these. Literally have 3 of the same. So, okay, the last product that I have in this box, which I also have 3 of, which this one's a little bit tinier, but it's so cute. It's the Lipikar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream for eczema prone skin. I do not have eczema that I know of, but sometimes I do get like rashes on me, so maybe I do. I'm not even sure. Because I have really bad dry skin, and sometimes I'll just start, yeah, ugh. Especially in this winter weather, it's like terrible out here. Because I live in New York, so it's terrible out here. I hate it so much. But this is the Lipikar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. Colloidal Oatmeal Skin Protectant. Sorry if I'm like slamming all these words, I just don't know how to say any of these. Okay, what does this one do? Okay, Lipikar Soothing Relief Cream is for dry, itchy, eczema-prone areas on the body, hands, and face. It's allergy tested, all that good shit. Literally says the same thing. It does not say anything else. Huh. Okay. That's pretty simple. So, if you guys got eczema, I don't know how much this is for like a full tube of it, but I'll look it up. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, does it say anything on here? What does it say? Okay, for uses it says temporarily protects and helps relieve minor skin irritation and itching due to eczema rashes. So maybe I do have eczema. Can't wait to try this whenever I get the chance to. Or if I ever get like a little rash again, I'm probably going to try this. Sometimes moisturizer doesn't do the job for that type of stuff, but can't wait to try all these little things over here. So, thank you Influenster for sending me this gigantic box over here full of skincare products from La Roche Posay. Yeah, I don't know how to say their name. Sorry for slamming you guys, but thank you for teaming up with Influencer to send some of us this stuff. I hope everyone enjoyed this new Influencer unboxing. Not really unboxing because I already opened it, but it's unboxing for you guys because you guys haven't seen it yet. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I get some more voxboxes because I love getting these things in the mail. They're just so much fun getting free stuff and just trying new products in general. It's just so cool. And I love Influencer for like having this type of thing that they do. It's just really cool. Before I end the video, I wanted to let you guys know I kind of teamed up with the company Dodo Lashes because I contacted them maybe like a few months ago to see if I could like review a pair of their lashes because I just found them on Instagram. I'm just like, I've never heard of this brand before. And they just finally came in today. It's been like maybe a month, I'm not even sure, but it's also from far away, so that's why it took a while. They finally came. I got, this is the, what's the style they sent me? They sent me the style D115. They look like these. These are so beautiful. I've never tried this brand before, by the way. But they were so easy to apply. And I have a coupon code, because I'm part of their affiliate program now. And my coupon code is basically my Instagram name. If you guys don't know, I'll put it down below too. It's peace _ love _ live _ bands. So that's your coupon code you guys can use to get 5% off some eyelashes. And this packaging is really nice, by the way. Like, I'm not even kidding. if I could pull it out, that'd be great. It's got like a little thing you can pull out and just pop them back in. It's really nice. And it came with a little thing, so if you do want to be part of the affiliate code, they'll even show you how to affiliate program. They'll tell you how to become part of it if you want to do it. So they're really cool. And I'm really digging these lashes. They're really cute. And the lashes are actually pretty inexpensive. They're like about 12 bucks. Sometimes cheaper, but they're really nice. And if you guys want to get a pair, my code will be down below. And guys, hair stuck to my lip gloss. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Check out my Instagram page if you guys want to see more makeup stuff. And love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one.